Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix slow Xbox series and menu lag slow dashboard. Press X button from the controller, then press Start button on home. Then click on Refresh. Now go to Settings. Then go to Personalization from the General. Then go to My Background. Then select Dynamic Background. Then go to Back and click on Network Settings. Then click on Advanced Settings. Then click on Alternative MAC address. Now click on Clear and Restart. Then go to General Settings. Then open TV and Display options. Then set the resolution as 1080p. Then go to Video Modes from Advanced. Then turn on Allow 50Hz. Then go back and open the system. Then click on Updates. Then make your system up to date. Then go back and click on Console Info. Then click on Reset Console. Now select Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. By following these steps, you can fix slow Xbox series and menu lag slow dashboard.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.